Hey there, my name's Sarah and I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite Amazon finds that just make life a little bit easier and that I think will benefit you as well. Let's start with mask related items that just make life so much easier, more comfortable and safe. I am wearing this headband with buttons on either side that is very cute with this little knot. It came in a variety of different colors. This is how it works with the medical mask. When I was going back to work, this is what I want to choose to wear. This helps to take pressure off my ears and also for the mask to fit properly and not sag off my face, because I was finding the distance here wasn't quite right, so I had to keep knotting these every time. It's just so much easier to just put it on with the buttons, so I will show you right now how that works. You can see there's no pressure on my ears because it's on the button, and it stretches it further so it stays on my face, isn't constantly sagging off. I really wanted to make sure that it was safe and secure for myself and for others. I always have an issue with having a headache and it being too tight, but this does not give me a headache. So if you're prone to headaches with headbands, don't worry, you will not run into that problem with these. Ooh, and of course, if you wear glasses like myself, it also I just hit my hand there and I just fucked my glasses up because I'm laughing. Okay, need to equalize. You can put on your glasses just the same as you would if you had it around your ears. It comes with 10 total different colors. They're mainly very fall-like colors. I love all of them. There are a couple like fun spring summer colors here, like the pink. I also can confirm that they are washable in a net bag, like with your delicates on like a cold or warm cycle, and hang to dry. When I'm not wearing my medical mask at work, when I'm just kind of like out and about, these are the reusable masks that I use, and they fit my face really well. If you're a guy, unfortunately, I don't think that these ones will work. I haven't checked, but maybe there's different sizes. I didn't get the kids one. There's also kids sizes. I do know that. My mom so kindly got me these type of masks in a variety of patterns, as well as the headband. I like how soft the straps are, as well as the nice soft rubbery adjuster here that doesn't hurt my ears. But if you are in a long work shift, I wouldn't suggest this. I do like relieving the pressure with this headband. And of course, these ones you can wear with glasses too. They do come with disposable filters that you can use. I really like these. They have a wire inside that you can adjust. And I love this mermaid pattern. Like, how cute is this? So many cute patterns. It's very breathable, not too hot and sweaty in here, but still does what it's supposed to. Now onto a different type of mask, a sleep mask. P.S. This video is going to be a little funky with the light. The sun is coming in and out, but we do what we can. I have been on the hunt for a perfect sleep mask because my husband and I are on different sleep schedules. So when he comes in, a bit of light comes in and I'm a light sleeper and I get woken up by it. To mitigate that, I got myself a sleep mask. And this is, I think it's called Alaska Bear. I've heard a lot about it with all of my research, and I was just trying to think which one's the best. If you're a side sleeper, what is it going to be like touching my eyes? I don't find that there's a lot of pressure on my eyes with this, and I wanted it to be light and breathable. I didn't want the bulky ones that like kind of make a cave-like shape over your eyes, because I sleep on my side and I didn't want like the stiff fabric to like poke me. I'm very happy with this. It's very effective. Sometime in the middle of the night, I inevitably take it off because I wake up with it like under my head. So that's the only thing that I would say. It is adjustable, but it really does close out all the light. And I was finding with some of the cheaper masks that I got, the nose part here wasn't deep enough, and it would just kind of like do this and then let the light come in through here. If you want a good night's sleep and you've been on the hunt for a nice sleep mask at a good price, I'd suggest checking this one out. Of course, I'm gonna have everything that I'm talking about linked down below in the description. Feel free to use those. Now for something a little more tech related. For my phone and all of our phones, your phone, a lot of tech things, we have a we have a front camera, and I was having a little piece of electrical tape over and having to replace it every so often. I do enjoy taking selfies sometimes. I was like always so annoyed that I had to take that off and then put it back on. It just left a sticky residue, and then the photos weren't as clear and I had to clean it every time. I got a cover for my front camera that's been working so well and is so easy to use. It came in a pack of 6 that looks like this. It's by Cloud Valley. They say it's a webcam cover. It's small enough to work with my iPhone 6s, which is a much older version than what they have available now. So that's really good. It was really simple and easy to put on. It's easy to slide open and close the cover as well. I did look at the reviews. There were some negative ones, so I was a little nervous about it, but all of them that I was looking up were like that. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go for it and try it. And I tried it out for you, so now you know for sure that it will be something that will work for you. The cover slides closed and stays closed and doesn't slide open, which is great. And of course, the reason why I wanted a cover for my front camera was so when I put my phone down, I knew that this camera was covered, but I also wanted this to be covered so that it wasn't looking at me when I didn't want it to be. I found that that has been the best solution instead of the tape option. You might have noticed that my wedding ring is a little bit different. It's a silicone ring. I've always wanted to try these ones out. I don't wear this one all the time, but for the sake of this video, it just made sense. I like to wear it when I'm running, working out, kayaking, anytime that I'm worried or afraid that I'll damage my wedding ring or lose it, like it'll slide off. I just wanted to have a nice peace of mind. I got this in a size 5. I think my ring size is a little bit more than that, like 5.5, a quarter, somewhere in there. It's not too tight on me. It fits pretty well, but it's not sliding around. I got the thin one kind of in this turquoisey color. I think my mom originally got it for herself because I was telling her about it, but she had one that works for her already and she so kindly gave it to me. I really love this, and if you like working out and have always wanted to try one of these, definitely check out the link below to choose one for yourself. Lots of variety of colors and looks to choose from. Now for something cooking relating. I was having so much trouble in the microwave when we were microwaving something in a bowl. The cover that we have didn't quite work because it wasn't dome shaped enough, so it really only worked for plated items. With bowls, we've got different sized covers to put on them. The little steamboat still lets some air out without letting the contents splash everywhere over the microwave. These have been a really big help because we were originally using the microwave safe covers lightly on top, but it started to damage them and crack them, and then wasn't really good for when we actually want to store food in them. These are also great options for when you have a pot on the stove and you want to have a cover on it and still let the steam escape. And again, the steam goes out the top just like a regular steamboat, and it's kind of got these lines where it looks like it's going through the water. I just thought this concept was so adorable, effective, and very useful. Great combination. Love that it comes in 3 different sizes. Really easy to wash. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure to click the bell icon to be notified as soon as I upload. All of that, of course, really helps me out with my channel. I really appreciate all of your support. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!